spread awareness for every child's right to a loving family. This June 2025, join us for Bisigkleta and Fun Run for a Cause happening nationwide. Register now to be a part of Bisigkleta 2025 and help the National Authority for Childcare promote legal adoption and alternative childcare. Simply scan the QR code to register. After signing up, you will receive an email and SMS for your personal QR code. On the event day, present the QR code sent to your email to claim your official event kit. A waiver will also be required for minor participants. A form will be provided upon registration. Get ready to ride and run in style. Please wear yellow, blue, or red, or dress up in costume or any superhero. Get a chance to win special prizes. Whether you're cycling or running, let's move together to show our support to legal adoption in every Filipino child. Bisigkleta 2025, ride and run for a cause for every child. Brought to you by the National Authority for Childcare. See you there!